What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, Iblason was kind enough to send me out the Cosmo checker for the S24 Ultra. So we're going to place this on my dummy unit right now, just so I can give you a look and feel of what this case will look like if you get this case on your S24 Ultra. So let's see what we got. This is checker. Okay, that's a nice little pattern. That is very, very different right there. I don't know how well you can see that. That is very different. But you do get your instruction manual. I don't need it. Let's pull off the plastic because there's some plastic on it. Just like that. This is not my kind of style, but if you like checkered kind of stuff, then this would be for you. Just peel off the front. Now let's open the case up. Like so. Take that off. Take that off. You always want to place the front housing on first so you can have a better, easy fit like that. Then you want to just place your device in like so, and this is what you will be looking like I say always. This will not, you will not have to worry about placing your phone flat down on the table, because this has a built-in screen protector, and it also has a deep lip. This is a two-part case, so your device is not getting scratches or anything like that. Then on this side, you do have access to your buttons, nice and clicky. At the bottom here, you do get access to your USB-C charging cable. Speaker, this is where you would, this is what holds your S Pen. It looks like you'll be able to get in there good, but I cannot show that because this is only a dummy unit. On the back here, you do get that nice deep cutout for your camera, and then you get that camera door cover that you can use as a kickstand for watching videos and so on and so on. Overall, this is a nice looking case. This is the Cosmo Checker series, and I will drop a link in the description to where you could go buy this case for yourself. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.